Welcome to our 2025 guide on resetting your SimpliSafe base station. Today, we'll explore its functions and why resetting it can be essential for optimal performance. There are several reasons you might need to reset your base station. This includes issues with connectivity, system glitches, or preparing to sell your device. Let's start with a simple power cycle. First, unplug the base station from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This can often resolve minor issues. To perform a factory reset, locate the Reset button on the bottom or back of the device. Press and hold this button for about 10 seconds until you hear a beep. Your base station is now reset to factory settings. Before you reset, consider troubleshooting. Check your internet connection, ensure the base station is updated, and try relocating the device for a better signal. After resetting, you need to reconnect your base station. Open your SimpliSafe app, select Add Base Station, and follow the prompts to link it back to your system. Once reconnected, checking for updates is crucial. Navigate to the settings in your app and look for software updates to ensure everything runs smoothly. Let's address some frequently asked questions about resetting the base station. What if it doesn't connect after resetting? Or, how often should I perform a reset? We'll cover all this next. In conclusion, regular maintenance, and sometimes a reset, can keep your SimpliSafe base station functioning at its best. Always remember to check for updates and troubleshoot first.